Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright then. Hey everyone. My name is Fadil Abubakar, student ID number 1723006 from University Bina Sarana Informatika. And today I'll be talking about computer and hardware. Now I know most of you use computer every single day, right? For studying, gaming, watching YouTube, or just scrolling around. But do we actually know how they work like what's inside them? That's what I'll be explaining today. We go we go through what a computer actually is what hardware means, how both of them work together to make our magic happen. So let's get started, shall we? Right. So first thing first, computers are everywhere. They're literally part of everything we do. When you go to class, when you pay your bills, when you order food, boom, computer system behind it. The first point says computers are important in daily life. And yeah, that's spot on. The next one, we use them for work, study and communication. Think about it. Office can run with a computer, student can do assignment without laptops, and no one's talking face to face anymore. So Zoom and WhatsApp, yeah. And the third point, hardware is one of the main components of a computer. That's the stuff you can actually touch, the physical parts like a monitor, keyboard, and CPU. Without that, you just have ideas of software floating around, nothing really happening. Okay, next. Okay, so what exactly is a computer, right? It's not just a screen you stare all day. It's an electronic device that takes in the data, processes it, and gives you information. For example, when you search something on Google, you type out a few words, and within a second, boom, you get a million answer. That's a computer processes data faster than your brain ever called that. Trust me. The computer help us basically everything: studying, designing, watching films, even controlling traffic like our airplanes. Crazy, ain't it? Okay, right then, let's talk about what computer actually does. The first one, data processing. Computer can handle big lots of data, number of pictures, videos, and make sense of it. They're like a little genius with no emotion. Second, communication. With a computer, you can send message, email, or video, call people from other side of the planet. Imagine that someone in Indonesia talking to someone in the UK, you just like that, instant connection, right? The third, storage. Computer can store 1,000 gigabytes of stuff, for memes to search paper, all in one tiny SSD. And finally, entertainment. Let's be honest, man. Half the half the time we're on the computer, it's not for work. It's for Netflix, games, or YouTube, right? So yeah, entertainment is a big one. What is hardware? Now let's have a look at the hardware, right? Hardware is basically the body of your computer. It's everything you can touch and see, like a monitor, keyboard, the mouse, the CPU, even the keyboard, right? Without the hardware, your software just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. You can tap, you can click, and you can see the results. So yeah, hardware is like muscle and bones, while software is like the brain, right? Both are important. One can live without the other. Alright, now let's break down hardware. It's many parts. First up, input a device. That's how you talk your computer. Stuff like your keyboard and mouse. When you tap or click, that's your input being said. The second, a processing unit or the CPU. which stands for Central Processing Unit, thinks of its own brand of the war system. Everything you do, open apps, play music, browse it, all goes straight to the CPU, bro. Next, output device, like a monitor, a printer, or speaker, they show the result. Whether it's a document, a photo, or your favorite song blasting out loud, and less storage device. Things like a hard disk, SSD, or a flash drive. They keep your files safe even when the power's off. Without storage, every time you restart, you lose everything. And then that's a big mental, yeah? So how do this to work together then? Well, hardware allows the computer actually to do things. When you press a key on the keyboard, that's a hardware sending input. The CPU processes it, and the monitor, underneath or hardware, show the rules instantly. It's like a team. Every part got a job. If one bit fails, the world stop working, bro. So yeah, without hardware, your computer just a break. Good for nothing, taking up space. Here are some explain of hardware. Just make it clear. We've got the monitor, the keyboard, CPU, mouse, and printer. You see, I put this picture in my slide, right? Simple stuff, but each one play a big role. You type something, that's your input. The CPU process it, the monitor show it, the printer print it. Boom, team effort, yeah? Right, then what thing about computer and hardware like the best match, yeah? They can live with each other. Hardware gives the computer power and the computer gives the hardware purpose. But there's the thing, right? We've gotta use this stuff wisely. Technology amazing, but it can be wasted if we just scroll around all day. So use it to learn, to build something cool, or to help people. That's what I really mean to. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's my presentation and that's my done, yeah. Thank you so much for watching my presentation about computer and hardware. I hope you enjoy. Maybe even learn a little something along the way. Cheer everyone. Maybe a lovely day. Stay safe and forget to back up your file, alright?